Ublalotak, Kanuit Pizzy. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Now it's time for some announcements. Husky of the Week goes to David Adams. Well done, David. We are so proud of you. Did you guys know that green and blue are David's favorite color? And his favorite movie is Home Alone? Guess what? I love that movie. His favorite subsistence activity is berry picking. His favorite native food is salmon, and favorite non-native food is pizza. Ooh, who doesn't like pizza? I love it. Would you rather be able to fly or be able to turn invisible? If David could travel anywhere in the world, it's gonna be California. Nice, David. That's a great state. David has 7 sisters and 5 brothers. So, congratulations, David, for being the Husky of the Week. Here are some goofy pictures of our students who earned some special sunglasses by coming to school on time. And these are just some few pictures. I have a lot more pictures to show, and that's gonna be on next assembly. So hang in tight. But for today, these are some amazing pictures I have to show to you guys that these guys did so good by being on time and definitely earned these fun sunglasses. They deserved it. And all of you guys look amazing in those fun sunglasses. I hope you all have a great time today. Happy learning.